Welcome food travelers to another mini series. Here in this mini room tour, we're sharing our experience staying at the Loden Hotel. The Loden Hotel is located at the Melville Street in Vancouver, British Columbia in Canada. Melville Street, if you're not familiar with that, is actually in downtown Vancouver. It's quite close to the Stanley Park and is about 3 blocks away from the seaplane terminal area and also really close by the Vancouver Convention Center as well. I was here for the Vancouver BMO Marathon and I wanted to stay somewhere very close to the finish line. It was about 200 meters or about a block away from the finish line. So after the marathon, I didn't have to travel very far to get back to my hotel room. And the room that I got here is called the Signature Double. It sleeps two, it's 2 double beds, it's 400 square feet. And with this one, it also has a deep soaker tub, separate rainfall shower, connecting room option. And one thing I did find pretty interesting was it does have this Dyson hair blow dryer. It's not very frequent do I see a Dyson hair blower in a hotel room, so I thought that was pretty neat and I did want to share that with you guys here in this video. And with all these hotels, it does have all the basic amenities with the body lotion, the shampoo, conditioner, and the soap, of course. And there's plenty of towels, and I really did appreciate having this large tub to soak in, especially after that running that full marathon there. And as I came back from my marathon, the staff was ready at the door, holding the door for me. They also offered to give me ice if that was something I needed. One thing I did want to mention is this hotel room, this hotel, I really appreciate the staff who were working here. They really remembered our names and they were really accommodating with every single way. So with this stay, I also had breakfast and parking. Since I did drive a electric vehicle here, it was free charging overnight, so that, and it was unlimited ins and outs of the hotel with the valet parking there, and that was something really appreciated with the hotel there as well. So with this hotel room, I also have to say that it is a very quiet hotel, even though being in downtown. Usually staying in downtown in Vancouver, it has been pretty noisy in the past from my experience here. This hotel does have plenty of storage space for all the luggage and bags and everything that you need to bring with you here on a trip, and it does have plenty of towels and bathrobes and everything too. It does also have an umbrella, which was very useful. So another thing I wanted to mention is in the hotel, it does state that there is a pillow selection, and with the pillow selection, you can choose the different type of pillows that they offer. They also offer a cooling comfort support type of gel layered pillow. They also have non-feather style pillows as well, and on their website they will state the type of pillow surface they have, and all you have to do is just call the in-room phone and order the pillow that you want for your stay here, which I think was great. It's not something that I see very often, having those pillow selections to choose from. And being downtown, the view was not as great as I would have liked, seeing that it was right next to other condos nearby. There's really nothing to look at here. But again, for my stay, it wasn't really about the view. It was just being close to that finish line there for the marathon. I did feel the bed was a little bit on the softer side. I would have liked something a little bit more firm. So that was something I did want to mention here, that if you like firmer beds, you may not enjoy the sleep as much unless you're extremely tired. And also with this hotel, I did appreciate having that Nespresso machine there, and they do have actual Nespresso pots you can choose from, and all the cream and milk was in the refrigerator for you to use, and that was really nice that they have this option here. So upon check-in and going to the room, it was very convenient. I also wanted to mention that it feels like for the first time, it was actually the other way around, where the elevator was just waiting for me. It was just waiting for you to just get into the elevator to go to your floor, rather than you're always just standing there waiting for the elevator to come to you. Overall, I really did enjoy this hotel. It was very convenient in terms of the location of it. It was definitely a really great stay. I really felt like the staff really treated the guests with a lot of respect, and they were really professional, and they really were really accommodating in terms of what we were doing there. There's also snacks in the lobby for each day, so it was definitely something worth checking out, especially if you're going to come run the BMO Vancouver Marathon and you're looking forward to be as close to the finish line as possible.
If you've enjoyed the content you've seen, don't forget to support the channel and hit like and subscribe. And if you want to see additional pictures of food and our travels, go over to our Instagram page and follow us there. And thanks for watching.